bunch of ligaments here. So some of them you can see like, if you look, it all looks like one thing, right? So you have to kind of know where they're going. So iliofemoral is going to be going from the ilium to the femur. So any of this upper stuff up here is iliofemoral. Right, and so the pubofemoral is going to be this one at the front here. So you can see the front here. So this thing here would be pubofemoral. This would all be iliofemoral. And then at the back here you've got ischiofemoral. Right, so if you just do it that way, it's at the top, ilio, front, pubo, back, ischio. And if you look at this model here, you can see a few extra things too. So you can see the obturator membrane going over the obturator foramen. You can see that ligament of the head of the femur that I mentioned, which we'll talk about again when we do the thigh. You can see this is looking from the front, so you can see the pubofemoral down there, and so all of this up here is going to be iliofemoral, and at the back you can see they've cut through the ischiofemoral so that you can actually see the kind of labrum which is kind of going around that joint. So that's that. And then for these other ligaments, so one thing I could do is I could just draw tape from here and here connecting these points, or tape connecting these points. And so if you kind of do that, then you can see it creates two openings for the lesser sciatic foramen and the greater sciatic foramen. You can also, if you pass me that red leg, see the big red leg? Alright, so if you look at this thing here, this is obviously a median section here, so you can see like pubic symphysis, you can see the sacrum here, you can see the sacral promontory here, coccyx, but you can also see this thing here. So that's going to be the sacrospinous ligament, and you can see the space here is going to be the greater sciatic foramen. This one down here is going to be the lesser sciatic foramen, and if you flip it around, you can see this big ligament here going down to the ischiotuberosity is going to be the sacrotuberous. So you can see the greater sciatic foramen up there, lesser sciatic foramen would be down here. You can see there's two ligaments kind of crossing over. That's it for the ligaments.